Hello, it's me, Michael, with my weekly update and furtively looking over at my screen a lot. I made it so you can actually see my screen in this shot, so that's fun, isn't it? Let's have a look at what I've been up to this week, shall we? Okay, so this is the journey through the week. So we recorded a podcast last week that came out, grandpodcast.com. Can have a look at that. It was about stories. Stories are fundamental to human existence. We talk about the different ways they can be told, from written language to films and data visualizations. We think about why they're so important and how we can tell them better. So that was that episode. And of course, Patreon supporters get the full video episodes. What's next? So I shared some work that Ian's been doing on Good to Hear /changes. Well, actually, blog. So Ian's been doing this. We did this one, which is making journal entries. So you can see we've got just a little how-to guide with some animations in it. I think that's pretty good. And then this week he did a word cloud one, which shows you how you can use get the nice snazzy word cloud. Been doing quite a lot of support emails this week, actually. Some shoot questions, some changes questions, some new users. So that's encouraging, but still, nevertheless, I focused largely on good habits this week, so that's why I circled last week. And then that's the design for it here. And I will show you how that is looking by mirroring my screen to you for yourself right this very minute. Mirroring to my MacBook Pro and launching Good Habits and showing the new okay. So here's some stuff I've been working on. So that's my this is my Good Habits on my phone. And if we go on to this new screen, we get this trend. So I've still got to do this pitch. But if we kind of go through a fake unlock, it's not going to be $21.99. It's just putting a random number in the thing. Yeah, you purchased it. Okay, and then you get this nice history timeline of all of your success rate over time. So my first month, I just had one habit. I was very good. Second, doing well. Lost a bit because I had to try and do some stuff, play on the piano. No, that was blank state. We have varying degrees of success, and it sort of shows you last month. Actually, it's showing me this month now. Yeah, so just getting that nice transitions, animations looking good. Something I put some effort into this week, as well as just this little animation here. Boing! And it does a little bit of haptic feedback. Just because I want it just to show that I'm trying to make an effort here. Hey, let's celebrate 2021 beginning with a fireworks display. I should have played that last week. I was just looking for videos on my phone and that's what came up. So the main thing I've been doing this week, well, just in the afternoons, you'll see in these afternoons, this is like the end of the day. In the afternoons, I've been doing this live stream. I've been live streaming on twitch.tv/Michael Forrest. Twitch.tv/Michael Forrest. This is music stuff, but I'm trying to make this count as well. Everything needs to count. So that's what the stream looks like. You can see we've got some overhead footage. Can I make this? And then you can just, if you come and join in, you can just join in the chat like this. So it's just twitch.tv/Michael Forrest, and if you follow, then you'll get an alert when I go live, which I'm hoping to do more and more. And then the idea with this is, well, the thing I've been doing, the idea I have with this is, because I really enjoyed it on Saturday, I was caught taken by surprise that I enjoyed playing a music stream, just sort of composing, coming up with ideas with the gear. So I thought, like, how can I add value? How can I give people value? Well, I can multi-track record all of this stuff. I've got like a 20 channel recorder plugged in. And also there's individual channels on the Deluge as well. So on the Deluge, which is this thing. Ooh, look at that. Why don't I make it a Patreon reward that you can download all the parts? So then you can come on chat, you can suggest what you want me to do even, and then at the end of the session I'll upload all the stuff. I'll create a YouTube video with a little performance at the end, like 5 to 10 minutes, and attach to that a Patreon thing and link, and then Patreon supporters will be able to download those WAV files. And I'm hoping that might generate some interest. And so today, like something I did, if we come back to our I think today I've just spent like an hour doing this stick around for stems. So it goes why don't I load it in? Why don't I load this in? What's the best way to load this in to show you? If we just go back to the fireworks, bear with me. If I go back to the fireworks, turn off that audio, clip source, browse. Hopefully you can still hear me. Stick around the stems, sting, mauve, open.
Stick around for stems. Stick around for stems.
So that's what I've made. That's what this is. So I just like some masks for the text, and just a little kind of sting to start the thing. Just basically using the same technique that I've been developing to do these weekly videos. I just thought I'd use that on my stream as well. Right, let's have another clip. If we press this. This is me demonstrating the loud sound of the exercise bike. I've taken this thing apart and some fluid came out, and hopefully I'm going to be able to put it back together again. That So that's my week. Was there anything else? The only other thing that I am slightly concerned about at the moment is I did do that. So Ian did this stuff, but to email it out, I think I've got some logic problems in my code that sends the email with my custom emailer. So it's not actually sent it to anyone because it's supposed to go in the onboarding sequence instead of the announcements. So I've got to fix that this afternoon. So you should see a bit of Changes PR and Marketing pop up there. And that'll do you for this week. I'm going to say goodbye. Bye.